today I have a collab banana collection. Hey guys, it's April and welcome back to my channel. So before I get started today's video, I just want to let you guys know that today's video is a collab video, if you guys couldn't tell by the title already. So me and Queen of the Girl Geeks, aka Bonnie, if you guys haven't checked out her channel, you totally should. She is seriously like one of the sweetest people ever. I'm obsessed with her. I love her videos. She's just like so cute and adorable. She just has like the sweetest personality. Anyway, so I ended up contacting her via Instagram and I was like, hey, like I remember watching one of your videos a couple weeks ago and you were saying that you have like so many banana products, and I basically was like asking her, you know, like would you ever want to like have a video where we both share each other's banana products, like our collection on our like each of our own channels, and then we make it like a collab. So basically she was like, yeah, like that would be so much fun and like super interesting. I mean, I thought it was like a really fun video because like we're in the middle of summer and it's, I mean, it's kind of like coming to an end, but let's be honest, this heat is going nowhere. Anyways, so like I just thought it would be kind of like a fun, interesting video for you guys. You guys could see like both of our banana collections and kind of like compare and see like what different products are out there that are banana scented. We'll have her video pinned in the pinned comments so that you guys can watch her banana collection video as well. I love banana scented products. I have so many, you guys. So before I filmed this video, I like went through everything, even some of my empties, because I haven't posted my July empties yet, so you will see a couple of these items in that video. And then also I think in my candle empties video that I posted last week, I think it was last week I posted it, you will see one of my candles in there because I did have some really recent banana empties that I didn't want to leave out for this video, just so that you guys knew that these kinds of scents exist, you know? So basically I'm going to show you guys a couple empties, but then I'm also going to show you guys a bunch of like my like full like partially used or unused banana products. So the first product that I have, I'm just going to show you both of them together. This one is kind of an obvious, the Victoria's Secret Banana Twist scent. So I have it in the cream and I have it in the spray, and you guys, this scent is amazing. Oh my gosh. You guys, I'm going to smell like an actual banana by the end of this video, but that's not a bad thing. Might be even preferred. So the fragrance notes on here are Banana Burst, Lime Infusion, and Total Bliss. And first of all, the packaging on here is literally the most adorable thing ever. I'm obsessed. Victoria's Secret did an amazing job with this like entire collection, but really great job with this particular scent. And I am going to put some lotion on. Okay, so I feel like the spray has more of the lime scent, and then the cream has more of like the creamy banana scent, but they both smell so amazing. You can't go wrong with either one, but I'd recommend both of them. They are both just amazing. Oh, so good, you guys. I'm obsessed with this. I'm so excited for today's video, you guys. You guys have no idea. We've been talking about this for like the last like week and a half or so, and I'm just like, I'm so excited for this video. So anyways, that is my first two items, and you guys just beware, there are a lot of banana items, like a lot. So up next, from Bath and Body Works, this is the Bahamas Passion Fruit and Banana Flower. You guys, this scent smells amazing, but this isn't like a true banana scent. This is like a banana flower scent. So if you're looking for something more like floral banana, this is definitely the scent to go to. This is definitely like a really nice beachy scent. I really like wearing this scent during the summertime. It's just like a very nice, like, I don't know, it has like really nice like beach vibes to it, you know? But this smells really nice, but it's not like a pure like true banana scent. It's not just gonna be like a banana dessert or like a fresh peeled banana. This is definitely like just like a banana flower scent. Don't go anywhere because I do have 16 total items. So my next 5 items are all pocket bags. This is all the same flavor, same scented pocket bag. This is the Banana Rama Beach Alpaca Towel scent. It is super cute, you guys. I love the color of it. It's purple and it just smells so good. Oh wow, I'm obsessed with this. I forgot how good this smells, you guys. I used to have 9 of these, but I ended up giving some away to some friends for like their birthday and for when I did like my proposal boxes for my bridesmaids. I knew some of them would like this scent, and I'm glad I ended up giving that scent to them because I know some of them will really appreciate that scent. Oh my gosh. This smells like a true, like freshly peeled banana scent. That's the only way I can describe it, is like that scent when you first open a banana. Oh my gosh, you guys, this smells so good. I wish I got more, but that is definitely like a hoard-worthy scent for me. It is so good. Okay, so now getting into banana candles. So my first candle is the banana split milkshake candle. This is my favorite banana candle out of all my banana candles. The fragrance notes are sweet banana, chocolate sauce, and cherry on top. I only smell like a banana like cream scent. That's what I smell. It smells... This smells amazing. The throw is amazing. This is like one of my favorite candles to burn during the summertime. I did get this last summer and the packaging is super cute. If they make it again, I'll definitely buy it again. It is so good. Oh my gosh. I wish that Bath & Body Works would make like a true like just banana scent body care like what Victoria's Secret did. That would be amazing. But yeah, this candle is literally amazing. I'd highly recommend Banana Split Milkshake if you guys can get your hands on it. It's amazing. Up next, my second favorite banana scented candle is the Banana Cabana candle. Side note, I really want to try the Banana Cream Pie candle. Just putting that out there. But this is the Banana Cabana candle. I'm obsessed with the packaging. It's literally like the cutest thing ever. Oh, this one smells so good. The fragrance notes are sun-kissed banana, sea spray, and warm vanilla. And I definitely smell all those notes. To me, this definitely like lives up to the name Banana Cabana. Like it smells like a tropical, like coconutty tanning lotion or tanning oil mixed with banana. It smells phenomenal. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. This is like the beachy version of like a banana, if you know what I mean. Like this smells amazing. This is my second favorite one. I do want to point out that I only have 3 banana scented candles, and then this last one is an empty. If you guys watch my candle empties, this one was in it. This is the Banana Bun Cake candle. Unfortunately, this one smells so good, but it was such a disappointment, you guys. Like the throw on this is only like a 2 or 3 out of 10. It literally throws like a couple feet away, and that's about it. The fragrance notes are sweet banana, toasted walnut, and fresh cinnamon. And again, like I told you guys, this is an empty candle. It smells amazing on cold. I feel like that this one had like the chance to be my favorite out of all 3 candles, but it just didn't live up to it because of how terrible the throw is. The packaging is adorable. The scent on cold is phenomenal. It's amazing, but the throw is just not there, and it's just such a bummer. But anyways, that is one of my banana candles, and I did want to include it in this video. Up next, I have, this is an empty, so you guys will see this in my July empties video. It's going up in a couple days. This is the Banana Flower Scented Hand Soap, and it is just super cute. The packaging is literally adorable. I'm obsessed with it. I did have another one of these that I emptied out a couple months ago, but I just didn't feel like digging for it because I am saving all my empties so that at the end of the year you guys could see my whole year of empties. I thought that'd be like a fun video to watch. But yeah, so this one is just amazing. I'm obsessed with this scent. I wish I bought more of this one. This one is so good. Again, it's the Banana Flower scent, and it's just, oh, it's so nice, you guys. I'm obsessed with this. This definitely smells really similar to the Bahamas spray. So if you guys like this in body care, you guys will love this in the hand soap too. In case you guys didn't notice, I am wearing the same outfit that I was filming in my Ulta haul, and I just filmed the Ulta haul, and when I was filming it, I realized that I got the Sun Bum Revitalizing 3-in-1 leave-in. This is daily hair treatment enriched with coconut oil, banana, and sunflower seed oil. It's for all hair types, and it's made for detangling, conditioning, and protecting your hair. And it was just so funny, like I was just hauling and I realized this has banana in it, so I was like, I have to add this to my banana collection video. Oh, this smells amazing. I cannot wait to try this out. This definitely smells like bananas. And I've heard great things about this brand, so I am really excited to try this out, but I don't have like a review for this, but this is now part of my little like banana collection. Then the last item I have 3 of. One is an empty, one is currently in use, and one is a backup. This is the hair mask by Bath & Body Works. This contains banana and vitamin E and vitamin B5, and I'm obsessed with this. This was my second favorite hair mask out of all of the Bath & Body Works hair masks. I did try my mom's coconut one time and I just wasn't really a fan, but my favorite one is the bamboo one. I feel like that one like really helps to like strengthen your hair, but this one was really great for nourishing, just not as good as the strengthening one, which is the bamboo one. But the reason why this one is so amazing, which by the way you will see this in my empties video, is because this smells like bananas and it smells like beach nights. Like, it smells like a mixture of the two put together. And if you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you guys will know that beach nights is my favorite body care scent. So mixing banana with beach nights was just like heaven in a bottle for me. So I'm definitely gonna hoard this one and use this one sparsely since I emptied out this one and these are all that I have. But yeah, that is all 16 of my items. Again, don't forget I did do a collab video with Queen of the Girl Geeks for this video, so don't forget to check out her video too. I will have that link in the description box below, and I'll also have it linked in a pinned comment down below as well, so that you guys could watch her banana collection video. Don't forget to subscribe to both of our channels. We both love banana scents. She might have more banana scents than I do. I just feel like she does because I'm pretty sure, if I could recall correctly, I'm pretty sure she also has the banana scent from the Body Shop, so definitely check out her video too. She just has such an amazing personality and I'm super grateful that she did this collab with me. I just thought that this would be like a really fun video for us to do since we both love banana scents, and I know that a lot of you guys love banana scents as well. And we're in the middle of summer, hence why I'm like so incredibly hot right now, you guys. Yeah, so I thought this would be like a really fun video for you guys to watch, just because I know that many of us out there love the banana scents, and I just thought this would be like a fun video to do in the middle of summer. So yeah, that is it for my banana collection collab video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a glamorous rest of your day. Bye!